Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Jamaican scientist Dr. Henry Lowe is criticizing local banks as he believes they are stifling legitimate business in the medical ganja industry. Dr. Lowe, who received a United States patent for his ganja-derived drug, says commercial banks are still putting up resistance. TVJ's Andrew Laidley tells us more.
Dr. Henry Lowe has developed a pharmaceutical drug which can treat eye diseases like glaucoma and myopia. It's estimated that the cost to treat glaucoma is $5.8 billion annually, while the same for myopia is $250 billion. The patent allows Dr. Lowe to tap into the multi-billion-dollar market. So why are local banks making it hard for Dr. Lowe to conduct his business in Jamaica?
People are going to talk about the corresponding banking. Yeah, this is about ganja, but these are pharmaceuticals you're dealing with and nutraceuticals, which is way above, it's out of the ordinary in terms of the issues.
Dr. Lowe explained that he was forced to move some of his production work overseas because the local environment is not conducive.
I wanted to produce everything here, and the company, and I won't name the company, that was working with us to do large commercial production for export, was told by the bank that if they get involved in producing anything, although it's pharmaceuticals and nutraceuticals, then they would shut them down. So they got scared and stopped.
And while local banks refuse to facilitate medical ganja businesses, Dr. Lowe argues that the rest of the world is moving full speed ahead.
All the international agencies agree that ganja or cannabis can be used for scientific and medicinal purposes. And if that's what we're using it for, what is the issue? Can somebody tell me? I don't know.
In addition to his patented drug, Dr. Lowe recently developed a second-generation drug for treating glaucoma. He says after further clinical tests, the medication will be filed for pharmaceutical nutraceutical approval in Jamaica and globally. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The Jamaica Public Service Company, JPSCO, is still grappling with electricity theft, which is costing it billions of dollars. In its just released 2018 annual report, the utility company revealed that it spent more than $30 million to address the problem during that year. 18% of electricity produced was stolen. The JPS says the problem requires strong government intervention and partnerships to achieve sustainable results. In currency trading, the day ended with the US dollar selling for $134.83. The Canadian dollar is now going for $102.43. The pound, it now costs $170.46, while the euro sells for $150.38. The JSE index gained 11,063 points today, while the junior market index declined by 99 points. Among today's winners were Pulse Investments, Carib Cement, 1834 Investments, Panjam Investments, and Seprod. Now on the losing side were Express Catering, KLE Group, Kingston Properties, iCreate, and Proven Investments. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.